Okay, this will be a nice quick video changing rear brakes on a 2002 Nissan Altima. Real easy job. Anyone could do this. You could do this at home. Save yourself some money. So jack the car up, take the wheel off. Okay, if you take a look, you can see that the squealers are starting to dig in. Sorry for all the background noise. And if you look at the pads, you can see the pads have nothing left to them. They should have actual, pad material, but these, I don't know if you can see down in there, have nothing. 2 bolts, 1, 2, and then this whole thing pops out. Nice and easy. Need a little more leverage and persuasion. Alright, I got it with just 1 bolt out, slightly destroying the other one. Whew, these are rough. All the way down. You can see the rivets. So, that's the difference. Nowhere to all the wear. Somebody got all their money's worth out of these. So the next thing to do is to compress the brake cylinder, the caliper cylinder rather. For that, you need a clamp. I like to use just the old brake pad.
most annoying sound in the world?
The pads back in, you got to put a little lube on the guides so that they can move smoothly on them. That top pin out, I'm trying to leverage this down and out of the way. It is catching on something. Huh. The caliper might be going bad. That does not look good. And these pads aren't wearing even either. Yeah. This has more usable space on it than what I saw on the other side. And the inside is actually, the inner pad's nowhere nearly as bad. This inner pad's really half-life maybe. going to grease these guides up and put new pads in. Make sure these fit right first. They seem to fit okay. Guides feel dry. Extremely dry. Whole car shaking. That's not good. Let's see. Key is to try to do this without getting any on the rotor itself. All right. Let's see if I could actually close this caliper. Ugh. Well, that caliper close, so that's good. All right. Probably a torque spec for this that you might want to look up. And you'll notice that there's a lot of give right now. Once I pump up the brake, that'll actually be taken up. Here, watch. Yeah, it didn't come out as much as I thought it should. Came out some. Give a couple more pumps and see if that comes out more. There we go. Now it's solid. That's it. Changing your own pads. I mean, these were trashed. This is the good side. The other side you saw had rivets showing. So 35 bucks, a little bit less. And I don't know how much that would have cost you if you went somewhere, but you should be changing your own pads if you can on your car. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and one last thing. You want to take it for a test drive after you're done. Nice quiet street. Try not to hit anyone, just in case you forgot something. And then check your torques on your wheels afterwards. Also, you might have to do some hard stops to bed in the new brake pads. Check to see what the manufacturer says about that. Once you're done with your test drive and you're satisfied with how your car performed with your new pads on, make sure to get a record of when you actually changed the pads, both the date and the mileage on the car, and keep it somewhere where you'll actually remember it and be able to reference, so that you know later down the road when all of a sudden you need to change the pads again, you'll know when you changed them last, and you can kind of see if there are any problems going on, or if you just bought really crappy pads. Don't forget to check your lug nut torque specs again once you're done. Something you should do kind of once in a while anyway. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully you found this useful and help you feel like you can actually do this yourself on your own car. Thanks again.